Hello, welcome back to MFWoodShop. Today I'm going to show you how to build this jig. What this jig is to drill a hole through your pin blanks. Pretty easy process. Stick around, I'll show you how to do it. All right, I got the pin press done, and it turned out really well. I'm pretty pleased with it. This piece here I already had before, and I've used it like that before, exception of the dowel rod and the springs. And I just put the blank in there before and then tightened those wing nuts that was on these bolts here, those bolts there, and then held that at the drill press and drilled my blanks, and that worked out fine as well. This one is going to be a little better for me. That way I don't have to use the wing nuts. I just clamp it down, be done with it. And then I also took a step further on this. Took it a step further and put this piece on there. And this piece actually sets down into the waste board of my drill press. So I actually just slide this in, set it down into that waste board slot. And then this is almost centered. I have to tweak it a little bit. It's a little off, but it's not too bad. But certainly you don't have to do that. You can have the board without that piece and clamp it down to your drill press table. And if you have a dedicated drill press, you can even mount that there and keep it there all the time. It'll certainly work for that. I actually built two of these because I had two of these blocks. This one here has a little bit bigger mouth on it, and I can do bottle stoppers or some bigger blanks or something on that. This one will it'll at least do the 3/4 inch blanks, and it will do a 1 inch pin blank as well. But on the bolt that goes into the clamp, I got to cut about 3 threads off of it, and then it would work. Or move the clamp back, an 1/8 of an inch or 1/16 of an inch or something. But no, this really worked out really good. I'm glad I did this. I'll put a hole here, and then I'll hang it up on my pegboard above my wood lathe, and I'll be done with this. Thank you for watching. If this is your first time watching MFWoodShop, I encourage you to subscribe. That way you don't miss out on any of my content. And I would like you to hit that like button if you like this video. And leave me a comment. I like reading those comments. That makes me feel like what I'm doing is worthwhile. So please leave me a comment. And if you have any questions, you can always reach me at my website or my email address. And all that's in the link below. Till next time, I'll see you later.